What's next?
Hey, Dad, what's next? Hey, Dust, what's next?
Hey Dustin, what's next?
I'm going to put a lowering kit on my bike so I can sit on it without having to be on my tippy toes.
Yeah. Watch me while I don't even know anything about tools. Watch me try to struggle.
Watch me. I don't know anything about tools, but watch me try to figure it out.
You want to color it?
I want to rattle can it.
Is that a fancy term for make it a different color?
Yep.
Heck yeah. Hey, but I think you're doing pretty good. Look at you got it all put together. Watching a little YouTube on how to do it, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think? Are you excited to give it a try?
Oh yeah, that's so much better. I can actually touch the ground now.
Cool. So you think that was good? How was your time putting it on?
It actually was much faster and easier than I thought it would be.
And you learned about suspension, right? Like
I did.
honestly, like you ended up learning. So that's cool. All right, sweet. Going for a little ride today?
We are. With friends this time. I'm excited. Super
You've got a few little things that you've done to it, huh?
I have done a few cosmetic, Nicole kind of crafty things to it.
Sweet. All right, well.
She's a beaut, Clark.
I like your little blanket back here. You
I
added,
owed to the chillest there.
you added that orange to that wand.
I did.
That looks really nice. Looking good, babe.
I love her.
Let's go for a rip.
Let's go.
Wonderful Denny's for a little
Jenny
lunch.
Craig will be calling me.
Where are we?
Gunnison.
And where are we headed?
Palisades.
We're gonna ride up the Palisades. So far, you're what? On this ride today, you're about 50 miles. You've gone?
Yep.
Pretty
The
good.
furthest I went total.
Pretty good. We're out here. We got a group of us. We're doing a good job.
Great friends, great ride.
See you at Palisades. can see your butt. And just back it up a little bit.
You can